Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We went to National Rail Museum. This is Chanakya Puri New Delhi. Come on, let's go and take a look inside. Let's go to check out the museum. The museum was very big. There are so many cool train models in the museum. There are so many engines: steam engine, coal engine, electric engine. This was the model of Gandhiji, and these are his companions. This model shows how the train tunnel is made. Oh, there were so many small toys in the model: excavator toys, truck toys. This model shows the train number plate. Mama promised me to buy this train one day. But I think they're not for sale. The museum was fun.
Out of the museum?
We came out the museum and we saw there was big engine out on the rail track. There was a joy train and Sarah was throwing a big tantrum to sit inside the joy train. Sometimes Sarah gets so crazy. So we got on the train. On the ticket counter, we have to buy ticket to ride the joy train. Bye bye, Choo-choo Daddy. Then I tried to climb on the coal engine and tried to start it, but there was no coal. Then I saw Gandhiji. He was sitting on a carriage. So I helped him with the charka. Toy tracks, so me and my cousin Zeddy followed the toy tracks. So we reached Darjeeling railway station.
Okay.
There was a giant model on many railway stations.
And
tiny train, and it was so good to sit. Thanks for